guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this springtime look. Spring is here, summer is coming, the heat is here. If you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So for my transition shade, I'm taking my Juvia's Place palette and I'm using the colors Zakia and Nana, and I'm going to work those into my crease area. And I'm using the two of the colors because one of them is a little darker than the other, but I don't want this orange to be too pigmented. So I'm kind of toning it down by using the lighter tan color. Okay, so just like that. Now to deepen it just a little bit, I'm switching palettes and I'm using the ColourPop Elements of Surprise, and I'm going to use this kind of like plum type color, and I'm gonna use this plum type color here to deepen it, and I'm just using this pencil brush. Makeup is really simple once you I feel like makeup, there really aren't any rules to makeup. Like, you can really do anything, any type of look, any type of style you want. You don't have to follow any type of rules or anything like that. Like, be yourself, create a looks that you think are good. It doesn't really matter how anyone else feels about your makeup, because they're not wearing it. It's your face. It's your creation, something you created. So that's why I like to play in makeup and wear makeup, because I feel like it's a way to express yourself in a way. Just like tattoos, people get tattoos, like that's a form of expression. I feel like makeup is that too. So I just dip back into the orange and I'm just blending it out a little bit more. But yeah, I feel like makeup is an expression of who you are. Like, for those people who like, you got too much makeup on, why you wear makeup? You don't need makeup. Yeah, I don't need makeup, but that don't mean I don't want to wear it. Like, I would choose to wear makeup. And it's not like I wear makeup on a daily basis, because I don't. But when I do wear it, sometimes I want to go all out. Sometimes I just want to have on foundation and maybe, brows. It doesn't matter. It's my face, So I really don't understand when people say, you don't need that, why you wearing it? Girl, you just mad because you can't do makeup, okay? Nah, I'm playing. Taking this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Primer, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. And we're doing a half crease today because I don't know how I feel about full cut creases. Like, have I done one of those? I think I've done one on my channel, but with glitter. I was gonna add glitter to this look, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep it simple. So a little trick that you can use when cutting your crease, I like to just place some of the concealer right on my eye, and then just look all the way up, and you see where the concealer touched. That's where you want to cut your crease, and that lets you know that that's the place where that's as high as your cut crease can go without having any transfer, if that makes sense. I'm going to let the concealer dry down just a little bit, but I don't want it to dry all the way down. I feel like the yellow shows up a little bit more when the concealer is still wet. So the yellow I'm using is from my Morphe 35B palette, and it's the only yellow in here, the matte yellow. Okay, just like that. So you can kind of see now that the yellow and the pink, that dark pink I added, there's like a contrast between the two, that's pretty ugly. So we're gonna take that same pencil brush and that same color and just go over top of that yellow to kind of diffuse that line. And I'm not blending, I'm packing that color on to the edge of where that yellow is. So now we're gonna add our blue liner, and the liner I'm using, I've had this liner for so long, and I don't know, I have all type of makeup and I grab for the same stuff over and over again. But this is from Lime Crime, and I know I've had this over a year now, but I probably have only used it like once or twice. This is probably like my second time using it. but we're gonna use it for the wing. So just take it and wing it out. I'm like so freaking mad right now. Like calm down, Jessica, calm down. All right, so obviously I wasn't recording when I finished my face because I went to go get the footage and it wasn't there, you know. So I don't have footage of me doing my face, but I will leave all the products that I use down below. So if you do want to see how I did my face, you can always refer back to one of my other videos because the face is pretty much always the same. But like I said, I will leave the products listed down below. But yeah, that is all we have for this video. So if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. I would really appreciate it. Please just give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.